Good morning, students. How are you? I hope and pray that everyone is safe and sound and fine at home. Today, we are going to learn English subject of Standard 3rd. Today, we are going to learn English subject of Standard 3rd. And the first chapter of the English lesson is the poem. The first chapter of our English subject is the poem. Before we go towards the poem, I would like to ask you some questions. Do you like to play games? Yes. When you hear this question, everyone feels very happy. When you hear the name of game, you feel very happy and you like to go and play. Which game do you play at home? Yes, most of the time what we do, we play outdoor games because we love to play outdoor games like cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho, running, catching the brain, hide and seek. These are the games you like to play. But as per the atmosphere outside, we must play the indoor game also. We must also give most important to the indoor games like playing the chess, then carom, then ludo. These are the indoor games which you can play inside your house because now you can see the coronavirus is spreading very rapidly. So therefore, we must take care of our health. We should not go out of the house and play the outdoor games. Okay. So, as the atmosphere outside, we must play indoor games. So here today we have a poem. The name of the poem is A Pretty Game. The name of the poem is A Pretty Game. So, let's listen this poem carefully. Just listen this poem carefully. I'll just read out this poem for you. A Pretty Game. The sun and the rain in fickle weather. The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. Were playing hide and seek together. And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. I will read the poem again. Please listen it carefully. The sun and the rain in a fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, the rainbow spanned the sky. So this is our today's poem, A Pretty Game. Let's learn more about this poem. I'll just go line by line. The sun and the rain in the fickle weather. Which season is going on now these days? Yes, it's rainy season, and we all enjoy rainy season. We like rainy season because you go out and you play in the rain. So we love rainy season. So therefore, in the rainy season, how is the atmosphere outside? Is it always sunny outside? No. Sometimes the sun is there in the sky. Sometimes sun disappears. Black clouds comes. Sometimes it rains. Yes, this changes takes place in the weather. Why? Because of the rainy season. Okay, so sun and the rain. The sun and the rain, they are in the fickle weather. Fickle weather means the weather which changes very suddenly. The weather which changes very quickly and suddenly. That is called the fickle weather. Okay, so the sun and the rain in the fickle weather were playing hide and seek together. The sun and the rain are playing which game? Hide and seek. The sun and the rain, they are playing the game of hide and seek. How they are playing the game of hide and seek? If we observe outside, as I have told you, that sometimes there is a sun in the sky. but sometimes the sun disappears. Why? Because the clouds comes over the sun and the sun gets hide. Okay, so sun is hidden behind the clouds. So therefore the sun and the rain. So when there is no sun, when there are black clouds in the clouds in the sky, what happens? Rain falls. Yes? Yes. So therefore the sun and the rain in the fickle weather, which game they are playing? They are playing the game of hide and seek. Yes, we also like to play the game of hide and seek. You know how to play the game of hide and seek? Yes? So the sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase, each in turn, every time. Sometimes sun, sometimes rain. What they used to do? They used to try to chase. Try to chase means try to run away, chase away from there. Chase away from there means to move. Like sometimes if there is no sun, if there is sun, if the black cloud comes, the rain is to chase the sun. When there is no rain, sun is coming, so the sun is chasing the rain. So each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. So they were chasing each other from their hiding place. So how do we play the game of hide and seek? So what we do? A person, one who a team, one who searches his friends. What he does? He catches. He takes the names. He chases from there. That his friends. He chases from there. He call out them. You are there. You are there. So those whoever names are called, they are coming out. So therefore, wherever they are hidden, your friends come out. So here also the sun and the rain. What they are doing? They are chasing each other from their hiding place. And at last they met to say goodbye. And at last the sun and the rain are saying goodbye to each other. Okay, they are saying bye bye to each other. And as they go away, what happens? And lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. The rainbow appears in the sky. Have you seen the rainbow? Have you seen the rainbow? Yes, it's a very beautiful to see when there is a rainbow in the sky. So when the sun and the rain says goodbye to each other, the rainbow is there in the sky. Okay, so this is the poem of English first chapter, A Pretty Game. I'll just read out again one more time for you this poem. Yes, children? The sun and the rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. And at last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Okay, so this is the poem of 3rd standard English lesson.